parents, I want to give you a heads up. Our next segment may not be suitable for children. Coastside Clinic is dedicated to providing breakthrough ED remedies to men in the greater Sacramento area. And today, they're here to enlighten us about their True Pulse protocol treatment. Medical technician Andrew Reinhardt joins us live this morning. Hi, Andrew.
Hello, good to see you. How are you?
Good to see you too, and we're doing well. Andrew, I wanted to get right into it. What is erectile dysfunction, and how does it affect the quality of life for men and their partners?
Well, ED or erectile dysfunction is basically a blockage of blood flow, damaged blood vessels in the bedroom specifically, that doesn't allow us to function like we'd like to. Now, it has a far reaching ripple effect on the man, the significant other, the relationship, and I would dare say it's more far reaching than that. Happiness, confidence. Nobody, from what I can tell, wants to take the pill for ED. That's what we're going to talk about today, getting off of the pill and treating the root cause of the problem.
And why do so many men wait to seek out treatment for ED?
I think naturally, when it comes to this subject, men are a little bit embarrassed. They're hesitant. They don't know if they should seek help or if they're less of a man. They have that feeling, but it couldn't be further from the truth. Our treatments are easy, 15 minutes done over a couple of weeks. What I think is embarrassing is actually going to the pharmacy, taking the pill, and dealing with all those side effects. So, being able to eliminate that is actually a really great thing.
And what are some of the causes of ED?
Well, prostate issues, diabetes certainly are not helping us. The American lifestyle is not helping us, but also it's more normal than you think. Damaged blood vessels, think of it kind of like a plumbing issue, damaged blood vessels and a restriction of blood flow. So it's a physical problem. It needs a physical solution. If you're out there struggling, if your man is struggling, you're a lot more normal than you may think.
And Andrew, you touched on some of the traditional methods for treating ED. How is your treatment different?
So, this technology, in my opinion, is a major medical breakthrough. It's called acoustic wave therapy. It's not a pill, it's not a chemical. It does what you see there. It delivers pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, causing the blood vessels to expand and open up. It improves blood flow essentially enough we can get rid of the ED. There are no pills, no injections, no side effects. From what I can tell and from what I know, this is the first and only thing that treats the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction.
And you mentioned how acoustic wave therapy is helping your clients. What is the estimated success rate for this treatment?
There are 60 clinical studies that dive into this. Anywhere from 70 to 90, 95% is typically what we see. Every patient varies a little bit. We will have you analyzed by our medical provider before you start. This has a higher success rate than a lot of treatments out there. I think because of the clinical data, this is the future of treating ED. And actually, it's the pill that isn't safe, and that will soon fade into a thing of the past.
Alrighty. And you mentioned the treatment that you offer at Coastside Clinic, but you also have a special offer for our viewers who could use this. Could you tell us what that is?
We certainly do. Give us a call before this segment ends if you're ready to do something about your love life. The phone number is right there on your screen. The exam, the assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound will be totally free. A little gift that can produce rapid results in the bedroom. I think you'll love that. Worth hundreds of dollars. It's totally free to callers now.
Alrighty, Andrew with Coastside Clinic. Thank you so much for joining us. And for more information, visit coastsideclinic.com.